Since the very inception of electric vehicles, there has been a problem with charging. Both manufacturers and owners have faced several issues with charging up their electric vehicle. However, as time passes, solutions are coming up, and this is probably one of them. Hello and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Stephen Neal, and you join us at the launch of this Bolt charging point. RevOS, a Bangalore-based company, has launched this Bolt charging point, and already there are many of these. They say that there are more than 250 of these chargers already installed in Bangalore, and there are many more to come. In fact, that goes into the hundreds of thousands according to the co-founder. So what is Bolt and what does it come with? Let's go into the details. Take a closer look at this charger. It's pretty compact. As you can see, it fits in the size of my palm. That's the width of it, and length, well, it's about a feet in length, and this can be installed anywhere. You can install it at your house, at a public space, in your apartment complex, wherever you'd like. The advantage with this is, the biggest advantage in fact, is that it's India's first and largest peer-to-peer charging network. So what does it mean, peer-to-peer? It's simple really. I can own one, you can own one, and then say if I'm in your area, I can use your charger. If you're in my area, you can use my charger, and it's as simple as that. In fact, I can set a price to it. So it's open to the user, to the owner of this, that what price he or she wants to set. So I can set, say, rupees 10 per hour, or if I want to be an early adapter or want more people to adapt EVs, I can simply say it's free of cost. You can come and charge it free of cost. So that's the advantage with this. You get an app. So in the app, you can see that there are so many charging points already in the city of Bangalore, many more to come. Also, the same app can be used to scan this QR code right here. Now this QR code, it simply works like a UPI app where you can scan it and you can start charging your vehicle. So the tagline is scan, pay and charge. So you just scan it, pay for how much you want to use it. It's based on time. So if you want to use it for an hour, you pay for an hour. If you want to use it for 2 hours, you pay for 2 hours, as simple as that. And then you plug in your vehicle and you charge it. Plugging in is fairly simple. Now there's no complicated plug right here. It's a simple 3-pin socket. The 220 volt socket you find at home, it's exactly that, except that it's available in a parking, it's available in a public space, etc. So it's easier to use. You can use your vehicle's onboard charger to charge up using this. Also, you've got a fail-safe MCB switch right there. So in case things go south, you can turn it off immediately. So that was the Bolt charging point. Now let's talk about RevOS, the company that makes the Bolt. RevOS it's one of India's leading infrastructure providers for electric vehicles. So what they provide is, they provide infrastructure, they provide electric vehicle charging, and they also provide electric vehicle internals. So the TFT screen, the LCD screen for your electric vehicle, the connectors required in it, anything required to make your electric vehicle smart, the company makes it. So the very same company has made this Bolt charging point. So it's very intriguing really. They will sell this to you at rupees 3,000, which is already a decent price. It's not overpriced, it's not too cheap either, but it's a lot cheaper than most other chargers available in the market. So this can be used to charge any other vehicle. It's, as you can see, it's very simple. It's just a 3-pin socket, so you can charge basically any electric vehicle that comes with a 3-pin socket. So that is Bolt for you. However, you can see there is a little thing called Rupee 1. So as an introductory offer, as an introductory bonus, Bolt will be available to some people depending on their location, depending on the status where they're placing the charger. It will be available for 1 rupee only. This will be available for the first few thousand early adopters. After that, it's just rupees 3,000. So, well, it does seem like RevOS has got everything covered, and RevOS has got everything thought about. So that's it from us for now. This is interesting. We'll be putting this to the test in the coming days, so do stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or doubts about the charger, do let us know in the comments below. We'll be bringing them to you. We'll be bringing the answers to you. Thank you for watching. Stephen Neal signing off.